Jump ball for Team Pilipinas versus tumakbo. And a ball possession for Team Tumakbo. Kicks it out for Trey. Won't go. Rebound Team Pilipinas. J Project, the long pass na tapikan. The chest pass, the drives, the lays. It's good. 5 minutes left on the first quarter to the corner. And still 2-0. Ang gandang rotation ng bola para sa Team Tumakbo. Pull up J, bullseye, 4-0. Number 1 for Team Tumakbo. Between the legs. Corner pass. Sa gitna. Number 13. Number 1 against Duterte. To the middle. Fires a 3. Paul bang. 3 points. Omelio. To Duterte. Pass to number 8, Mundas. Duterte sa gilid, Omelio. Deep 3. Bang! 3 points. And here's number 1, attacking the defense. Bounce pass, the fake, the fire, it's good. Entrapping defense for Team Philippines, J Project. Number 1, spinning, passing, stolen. And here's Ilyescas. Binangga, giba. Last on the free throw for Ilyescas. First throw is in. That's good. Defense for Team Philippines, J Project. And here's number 1, guarded by Omilio. Pass to number 5, De Guzman. De Guzman sa gitna. Number 13. OF Wings will attack. Will lay. No. Rebound, kicks it out. For 3, Imperial. Bang! 3 points. Chog Moral with the leader. The attack, the side step, the lefty hook. No. Rebound for Team White. Tumakbo, lays it up, bullseye. Chog Moral now at the top. Bounce pass to Mundas. Mundas with the leader. Mundas corner pass for 3, Moral. Basket and 1! Moral! Oop, it's post up. Spin and fire too strong. Rebound mapupunta sa Team White. Tumakbo, fires, no. Here comes Domingo in hurry. Stepping the gas. Straight to the left shot, no. Duterte to save. Was rejected. And another. And rebound for Tumakbo. And here's number 2, number 11, corner pass. Number 3 sa gitna. Corner pass. Will drive, will fire. No. Rebound kay Ilyescas. Pass to Moral. Binit-bit. Inside pass. Fire. No. Rebound. Mamawag of the glass. And finish. Project. J Project. Moral. Open at tinira sa likod. Oh, my foul. What a... First throw for Moral. It's good. Moral. Imperial goes to the screen. Fires a triple, no. Rebound by Moral. Moral. Behind the back dribble. The attack doesn't accept the pass. Spins. Bump and fire. Ilyescas final on the free throw. Won't go. Duterte is there for the rebound. Put back shot and the finish. Oh. Here we go. Team Tumakbo, number 11. Hope na tapikan. Almost stolen. Recover by number 2. Spins. Guarded by Guevara. Pass it to the middle. Imperial. Kicks it out. Pull up. Jumper. Bullseye. Chog Moral. Chog Moral against Imperial. Chog Moral stops. Pass it to Guevara. Fires a triple. Bang! 3. Here comes Tumakbo. Number 11 at the top. Signaling the play. Pass it to Ventura. Ventura with the leader against Guevara. Sa gitna, number 3 against Moral. Fakes, number 11, bump. against Illescas. Little bit spin, fades away, won't go. Rebound Domingo. Domingo long pass, high pass. Moral, reverse layup, it's good! Crosses the mid lane, pass it to Domingo. Domingo will attack. Kicks it out, Moral the fakes, the drive. Oh, Jumeli, bullseye! Grabe! Imperial behind the back pass na tapikan, poke away. Illescas lays, harap-harapan, oy! Bagsak silang dalawa. Illescas last on the free throw. He launched bullseye. Imperial. Bounce pass Ventura. Ventura nakalusot. Corner pass. Nakagaw ni Moral. Moral straight to the house. Basket and one. Moral. For completing the 3-point play. A lucky bounce for Moral. And here's number 2 Ventura. Pass to number 5. Number 5 kicks out. Number 13. And Ventura sa gitna. Sa 3. No short. Rebound by Omilio. Omilio to Duterte. Fars. Binangga. Bagsak. Giba. Hey, dude. And cross pass. Pico, pull up jumper corner, Tuno, rebound Duterte, oh my foul. Down for Team Philippines, J Project inside pass, Mundas, ang gandang ikot nun. Finished by Pico. Team J Project, Philippines, Omilio, Duterte, kakaldag sa loob. Backdoor inbound. Inside, fires off the glass. Ganda namang open sa'yo. Number 30. Pass to number 5. Number 5 behind the back 3 ball. Lost the handle. Recover by number 4. And the pass, the fakes. Umatras. Atake. Pinasa sa labas sa 3. Rebound number 30. Lost the... And Duterte is there. Duterte, bababa ang bola. Atake, binanda! Oh! Offensive foul nga lang. Behind the back, Ventura. Pass to the corner. Fires a triple. No. Rebound, Illescas. Illescas. Attack, sidestep, boom. Bagsak si Illescas. For the inbound. Kicks it out. Omilio sa gitna. Pico fires. That's good. Pico. Tumakbo. Number 2. Pass to Imperial. Imperial to number 13. Ventura against Illescas. Corner pass. Pull up jumper. Guevara. That's good. Guevara. Domingo setting the play. Domingo will attack. Goes to the corner. Recover. Pass to Illescas. Domingo inside pass Pico. Reverse layup. That's good. Pico. Imperial. Imperial. Pass back to the middle. Ventura kicks out. Guevara spins against Guevara. Step back. Fires. No. Rebound para dito kay Illescas. Domingo. Domingo atake. Kicks it out for 3. Guevara short. Imperial. Imperial number 30. Nakagaw ni Illescas behind the back 3 ball. No look pass. Imperial against Domingo. Goes to the right. To number 4. Number 4 spins. Malang for 3, no. Rebound kay Pico. To Chog Moral. Chog Moral. Pass to Domingo. Domingo attacking the defense. Lace. Bagsak. Number 4. Against Morales. Spins. Pass rejected by Guevara. Stolen by Moral. Moral. Oh! From the web. Oh. My foul. Chog Moral at the free throw. That's good. Oh! De Guzman. De Guzman sa gitna. Ball is stolen by Illescas. Illescas. Tug-tug. Nagpasahan pa. For the backdoor inbound. Signaling the play by Moral. Kicks out. Domingo. Domingo sa corner. Illescas. Moral. No look pass to Illescas. Grabing pasa. De Guzman. Post up. Corner pass. Imperial to Guevara. 4-3. No. Rebound by Domingo. Domingo stepping the gas. Domingo. Pass to Illescas. The fake. The bump. The spin. The fire. Boom. Up. Oh. Area rebounding. Bounce pass number 3. Ang gandang play nun. Domingo. To Chog Moral. Chog Moral. Between the legs. Chog Moral crossover. Umatake. Side step. Inside pass. With the finish. In and out. Sayang naman. Number 3. Huli sa likod ni Moral. Chog Moral. High pass. Halio. Pass to Domingo. In the back 3 ball. The pass. De Guzman attacking the defense. The lace rejected. Rebound Domingo to Moral. To Domingo. Pinasa sa loob. Mamawag. Bullseye. Imperial spins. Stop bump fires. No. Moral. Dribbling at the top. Sharing the play. Goes to the screen. Pass to Domingo. Pass to Duterte. Binangga. Tinira. Wow! Tumila pa. And here's number 2. Ventura kicks out. Imperial. Inside pass. Top shot off the glass. Bank shot is good. Dribbling at the top. Domingo attacks. Lays it up. It's good. And here's number 3 spinning. Iniwan si Domingo. Basket and 1. And here's Mamawag. Bounce pass. Duterte will post. Duterte atid. My foul. Basket and 1. No basket. The inbound. Bounce pass sa gitna. Easy bucket. Pico. Mundas. Mamawag. First or 3. Bang. 3 points. Mamawag. Mundas. The pass. Pico. Kicks out. 4-3. Rebound put back. Pico.